Hey guys, it's Sabresman31, and I got some money, so I bought a box of 1011 Upper Deck artifacts. This is my third box of this. So yeah, let's get started. Oh yeah, and by the way, it's box number 1. That was a coincidence. I didn't pick it, the number. I don't like doing that. So yeah, here we go. I got like $100 to spend. I was gonna get Crown Royal, but I figured it might not be as good as this. Oh crap. And this is my favorite set. Oh god. Oh, this box broke. Wow. Sorry about that. But yeah. There's the packs. So I'm gonna get started right now. There. So yeah, I'm gonna start with the left side. Ooh, a New Jersey Devils redemption. Number 218, so that's a double, which kind of sucks. It's, I forgot the name, it's some no-name Devils player. Marian Gaborik artifact stars out of 9.99. That's pretty good. Artifact Legends out of 9.99 of Mario Lemieux. That's pretty nice. Ooh, jersey. Aw, you're kidding me. A Tundra tandems of Rene Bourque and Jerome McGinley. This one's out of 50. I got the one out of 250 though. I guess that's okay. I mean, it's not the exact same one. Ooh, green parallel of Jordan Stahl out of 50. Green base parallel. Pretty good. So, halfway through the box so far. And Artifacts rookie out of 9.99 of Jerome Sampson for the Canes. Artifacts rookie out of 9.99 of Grant Clitsome. So there's 3 packs left, so these should be the 2 jerseys and an auto. Yep, this is a jersey. And it's Brad Richards base parallel jersey. Number 1 of 150. That's pretty cool. Number 1. So 2 packs left. This should have either an auto or a jersey. And it has a patch. Thank God, I got another patch. Ooh, oh, that is amazing. Rene Bourque, 3-color jersey out of 50. Base parallel jersey. That's awesome right there. Actually, it's 4-color. Like there's like some red over there. That's really cool. 4-color jersey, nice seams. That's amazing. So yeah, last pack should have the auto, and it does, and it's Yannick Weber. See, Greg, I told you I'd get a Habs auto, but unfortunately you already have it. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. This was a pretty nice box of artifacts, and peace out.